guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert a template from Canva into Google Slide. So all you have to do, open your Canva, or you can use your browser canva.com, and choose the templates from Canva. For example, you can choose the template from the presentation. This one, for example. Here you can apply all 10 pages. As you can see, this is for template from Canva. It's all about animal theme. You can edit it as you wish, or you can edit later in Google Slide. It's up to you. But I recommend you to edit in this Canva, so it makes you easier. So after you're done edit this template, you can click the share, and you can scroll down, click more, scroll down again, and save as Google Drive here. You can connect the Google Drive first. So you can choose file type as a PPTX, Microsoft PowerPoint document, and save. So you have to wait, preparing your design. Your design has been saved, so you can fill in Google Drive right now. So this is my Google Drive. As you can see, the file is saved, and you can open it as a Google Slide. Opening the file in Google Slides, this may take a few moments. Now, as you can see, this is the template from Canva. It's already in Google Slides. So you can make a presentation right now with a template from Canva using Google Slides. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.